What if your audit firm could reply to clients instantly 24/7 without hiring extra staff? Sounds useful, right? So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'll show you how I built an AI chatbot for audit firms that automatically handle clients' queries on WhatsApp. And the best part is that I have designed this automated AI assistant using an automation tool named as Pabbly Chatflow without any coding. Now, without wasting any time, let's start building this automated AI assistant from the scratch. At first, open a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. In this page, on the right hand side, you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option. But before doing the sign in process, I just want to share something extremely important with you. If you also want to create this type of automated AI assistant chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. Here, after doing the sign in process, you will be see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this Access Now button, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. As we are creating an AI assistant, so I will click on this AI assistant button. Then this AI assistant interface is going to be appear in front of you where you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes, you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. Now, as we are creating a new AI assistant, so I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. Then it will ask me to enter the assistant name that I am going to enter as automate audit forms using AI chatbots to handle client queries. I want you to know that I am going to create an AI assistant for audit firms just only to teach you the process of how you can create an AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, but you can customize the same AI assistant for your own business too. The logic will be the same. After that, I will click on this plus add AI assistant button. See, here you have to select the instruction type that I'm going to select as AI agent. Now, what is instruction? So instructions defines how the AI should behave, and this is where you can tell the AI what to do and how to reply. Moving forward, the next one is the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of the AI, as low temperature gives accurate and stable answers while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. Moving forward, you have to select the AI model provider that I am going to select as an OpenAI. Next, I am going to select the model as GPT-4o mini. After that, it will ask me to enter the API key. Now, I am going to explain you from where you can get this API keys. So, for getting this API key, you just have to click on this OpenAI API keys page, and then you will be landed on this OpenAI platform. Here, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button, and the name is an optional, so I am not giving it. Next, the project I am going to select as default project. After that, the permission I am setting as all. Next, I will click on this create secret key button. See, I have successfully get my API key, so I am copying this from here and going to paste this API key in this field. See, after pasting the API key, you just have to click on this connect button and see our OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings, where the first one is the header message. The header message is the first message users see when the chat starts. It is usually used for a welcome message or a short introduction. So if you want to add any header message, then you can write in this box. Next one is the footer message. The footer message appears at the end of the conversation. It can be used for thank you messages or contact information, etc. Moving forward, the next one is the stop keywords. Stop keywords are specific words that end the conversation. So if you want to add any stop keywords, then you can write in this field, and make sure that whenever user entered the stop keywords, then the AI conversation will be stopped and you have to give a manual response to your user. After that, the retry attempt button. Retry attempts defines how many times the bot replies to users if something gets wrong. So if you want to increase this, then you can increase this from here. And the last one is fallback messages sent when the AI does not understand the user message due to technical issues such as an API key failure or API AI connection problem. So to preventing the AI from processing the request, fallback message will be the sent. Now moving forward, the next one is the knowledge source. See, the knowledge source is the information bank of your AI assistant. It defines where the AI should get its answer from instead of guessing. Without knowledge source, the AI gives general answers, but with knowledge source, AI gives accurate and business specific replies. Now here you can see it is asking me to upload a knowledge source files, but you can make sure that the size of your file will be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or PDF. There is no page limit of text for PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it's limits to 10 pages. Now I am going to show you the knowledge base that I have already created for audit firms. So see, this is the knowledge base where I have entered all the related details regarding the firm, such as the services that I am offering, overview, documents required, turnaround time, and some FAQs too. So this is how knowledge source file look like. Here you just have to click on this files option and download this file in .pdf format. See, the file has been downloaded successfully. Now I am going back to my AI assistant and dragging this file here. You will see that how easily the knowledge source file is uploaded. Moving forward, the next one is the assistant interface. Here you can design your AI assistant, where at first I am going to write a heading in this field as an AI assistant for audit firms, and you can see that as soon as I have entered the header here, automatically it will comes here as this is the interface of how your AI assistant will look like in real time. Next I have entered the subheading as we are online and happy to assist you. After that, the initial message I have written as hi there, how can I help you today? Here I have added only one initial message, but you can add two. Next one is the label that is powered by Pabbly. You can disable this if you want to. After that, the footer text I have entered as privacy and policy and also added one footer link too. And the user first message I have written as I need help, so I am changing it to hello. See, after doing the setup of assistant interface, I am moving forward to the styling, where you can style your AI assistant by changing its theme, colors, shapes, background, and many more. So here I am not changing it. After that, I am enabling this toggle so that my AI assistant will be active, and clicking on the save AI assistant button so that the AI assistant saved. And the next one is the embed option. It is used to set your AI assistant inside your website or any other application. See, when you click on this button, then you will get an automated generated code of this AI assistant that you will paste on your own specific website. And once you paste that code, this AI assistant is going to be appear on your website pages too. So this is how this button works. Now, after doing the setup of your AI assistant, you have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. I am opening this in a new tab. This is the inbox settings. Here you have to scroll down and you will be see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. Just enable this toggle. After that, the select contact list from here. Here you can select the contact list on what you have to set your AI assistant. So I am going to set up my AI assistant for all the contacts. That's why I have select this here. And here I am going to select the AI assistant as automate audit forms using AI chatbot to handle clients' queries that we have created recently. After that, I will click on the save button and see our inbox setting has been saved successfully. Now I am going to test this AI assistant to check whether it is working perfectly or not by sending a message to this AI assistant. Once I send the message, immediately you will see the AI assistant will reply to me that hello, how can I assist you today? So I am answering one question to the AI assistant that please share me the audit services you offer. Then it will send me the list of types of services they are offering to me, and I am asking my next question as share me the overview of audit process. See, it will automatically send me the overview of audit process. As you can see that we have uploaded the knowledge base of audit firms. That's why the AI assistant is giving me specific answers on the basis of audit firms. Next question I am going to send is what was the documents required? Then it will respond to me like this. Next I am asking a question to this AI assistant as do you handle GST audits? Then it will respond to me like this that yes, we do handle GST audits audit services for eligible business. Moving forward, I am asking the last question is tell me about the firm. See, it will respond to me like this. So this is how AI assistant works in real time, as it gives instant replies to your users and solve their queries without you touching your phone. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions on the creation of this AI assistant, then just comment below. And if you want me to create an AI assistant for your own specific business, then comment your business. I will create a tutorial on it too. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing automated AI assistant for your own business. But lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offers. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.